Okay, this is my first time camping. This is the hookup. I have the surge protector into the 50 amp breaker. There is a 50 amp breaker. I got the hookup to the RV right here. Power hookup. Going all the way to the back. It is secure. I got my water filter right here. I got my pressure regulator right here at 40. Can get some water on the side. Next time I'm gonna bring another hose. I got my clean water hookup. Here is my black tank. Here it is. This is what I hooked up. Everything seems to be working fine.